If you use Google Chrome every day, but feel like you're only using the basics, this video is for you. Chrome is packed with powerful tools that can save you time, keep you organized, and make your browsing smoother. And most people don't even know they exist. Today, I'll walk you through simple but pro-level tips that instantly upgrade how you use Chrome. First, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. If you want to browse faster, shortcuts are your best friend. For example, press Ctrl+T to open a new tab, Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen a tab you accidentally closed, and Ctrl+L to jump directly to the address bar. These small actions cut seconds off your workflow, but when you're online all day, those seconds add up. Next is tab search. If you're the type who opens 20-30 tabs at a time, this feature is a lifesaver. Click the little arrow on the top right or press Ctrl+Shift+A to quickly search through all your open tabs. No more scrolling endlessly to find that lost article or spreadsheet. Another pro trick is using Chrome profiles. If you juggle work, personal tasks, school, or freelancing, separate profiles keep everything clean. Each profile has its own bookmarks, themes, browsing history, and extensions. Switching between them makes your life so much more organized. Now let's talk about extensions, Chrome's secret superpower. From productivity tools to note-taking, grammar checks, and time management, extensions instantly boost what Chrome can do. Just don't overload your browser. Keep only the ones you truly need to avoid slowing things down. One of the most underrated pro features is site search shortcuts. Type @Gmail, @YouTube, or even custom site searches directly in the address bar to jump into searching that website instantly. It's one of the fastest ways to navigate the web like a pro. And don't forget Chrome's privacy and security checkup. With one click, Chrome will check if your passwords are leaked, if your extensions are safe, and if any settings need to be updated. Browsing like a pro isn't just about speed, it's also about staying safe. Once you start using these tools, Chrome becomes more than just a browser. It becomes a powerful workspace. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech guides.